Hello everyone, welcome to Math Tutor Hub where math finally makes sense. I am your math teacher for today. I am Sir Aaron Justin Beltran, but you can call me Sir AJ for short. Now we will tackle about the 6 trigonometric ratios. So grab a notebook and let's learn together.
So what are the trigonometric ratio? In trigonometry, we study the relationship between the angles and side of a right triangle. So given a right triangle, we can define 6 key trigonometric ratios based on an angle theta. So these ratios compare the lengths of the side of a triangle. So here they are, the 6 trigonometric ratio. Here is the primary ratios. Okay, first is the sine or sine theta is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. Okay, next is cosine or cosine theta is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. Next is the tangent or tan theta is equal to opposite over adjacent. Okay, these are the primary ratios. Okay, now let's go to the reciprocal ratios for cosecant. CSC theta is equal to hypotenuse over opposite. Next is secant. Secant theta are equal to hypotenuse over adjacent. Next is cotangent. Cotangent theta is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. Okay, so to remember it easier, we have here so for the primary ratio we have TOA, which means sine is equal to opposite over hypotenuse and cosine is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse and tangent is equal to opposite over adjacent. So for the reciprocal ratio we have Chauchat-Houck. Okay, which means cosecant is equal to hypotenuse over opposite and secant is equal to hypotenuse over adjacent and cotangent is equal to adjacent over opposite. Okay, now let's apply what we've learned with a detailed example. Given a right triangle, okay, so right triangle X, Y, and Z. We have a right angle at Y. Okay, now angle theta is at X side xy is 5 units and side yz is 12 units and side xz is 13 units. So now we identify the sides. So the opposite side from angle X is YZ, and YZ, which is 12. YZ is equal to 12. And the adjacent side next to angle X, not hypotenuse, is XY. XY is equal to 5. And the hypotenuse, which is the longest side, is XZ is equal to 13. So now, let's find all the 6 trigonometric ratio for angle X. So the primary ratio, which is the SOHCAHTOA. So sine X is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. So now, this is the opposite. This is the adjacent. This is the hypotenuse. Okay. Now we will find the primary ratios. For sine x, our sine x is opposite over hypotenuse. So opposite over hypotenuse, 12 over 13. Okay, that is our sine x. So now, in our cosine x, adjacent over hypotenuse. So 5 over 13. Now in tangent x, opposite over adjacent. So 12 over 5. So in reciprocal ratio, we just reciprocate this primary ratio. So in cosecant x, 13 over 12, and secant x, 13 over 5, and in cotangent x is 5 over 12. All 6 ratios found.
So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next video. That's all. Thank you and goodbye.